Hey, what's up, ganap? So, naghihintay ako ng train ngayon at pag-uusapan natin is about certifications dito sa US. One of the best investment I had in my nursing career is getting a certification. So, currently, ang certification na meron ako is OCA, yung Oncology Certified Nurse, at meron akong CMSRN, yung certified. CMSRN is Certified Medical Surgical Nurse. Worth it ba ang time, money, at studying kung kukuha ka ng certifications? So my answer is yes. So first, may increase credibility at knowledge about sa specialty. Pinapakita din ito sa mga employers or sa mga kung sino yung mga employers ninyo na committed kayo in your career growth. And of course, it builds confidence in your nursing career. Siyempre, certified ka. Ibig sabihin, you're knowledgeable. At first kasi, yung reason ko bakit ako kumuha ng OCN, kasi may additional siya na may additional na incentive. So, may natatanggap ako na pera. But in the bigger side, in terms of knowledge, nahahasa ka talaga. Hindi ka man siguro yung tipong talagang master na master, but nare-review mo yung mga concept. So, ang second advantage of getting a certification is meron silang mga financial incentives. So, yung mga hospitals dito, merong certification bonuses or meron ding differential pay. Yung certification bonuses is binibigay siya one time in a year or minsan twice in a year. So sa current hospital ko, they're giving certification bonus twice a year. It is $1,500 per year. However, yung previous employer ko, when I had my certification is they're giving an extra $1 per hour. Though ikaw yung gagastos sa, alam mo yun, sa payment ng registration fee, minsan nire-reimburse yan ng employer ninyo once sabihin nyo na mag-a-apply ka to take the exam. But, like for example, ang OCN, I think it's like around $400. Kung titingnan mo din naman, ang OCN is good for 5 years. So, ibig sabihin, babayaran ka ng certification bonus for 5 years. So, nabalik na yung gastos mo sa registration, di ba? Return of investment. So, yun, depende sa hospital on how they deliver, how they present their benefits and incentives in terms of certification. Ang long-term value nun is it will strengthen your resume. And certifications strengthen your resume at it makes you more competitive sa mga specialty positions. For having a certification is it supports clinical ladder advancement. So dito sa US, sa nursing career, meron sa mga hospitals, merong clinical ladder advancement. Merong clinical ladder 1 to 5. Yung previous hospital ko hanggang 5 sila. Current hospital ko ngayon, they're clinical 1 to 4 only. So in each level, may kani-kanilang ano ba tawag dyan? May kani-kanilang requirements at eligibility. For example, clinical ladder 2 ako. Clinical nurse 2 ang tawag sa akin. It's because meron akong Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Kasi yung mga nurses din dito, graduate din sila ng associate, pwede silang mag-take ng NCLEX. So, magdi-differ din yung salary nun. Pero pareho kaming registered nurse. Ang clinical ladder 3 naman, different naman siya. May different requirements. So, more points. Point system kasi yan. Like, meron silang something sa excellence, something sa community volunteerism, tapos may mga points yan. At if you have certifications, you are granted with points. Sa current hospital ko ngayon, if you have one certification, you can have 5 points. And another certification, another 5 points. So, 10 points na yun. So, once ma-achieve mo yung level, like for example, 30 points, clinical nurse 3. So, clinical nurse 3 ka. If you want clinical nurse 4, more points needed. So, in my previous hospital, I'm clinical nurse 5. So, I did a lot of volunteering, like educating nurse assistants. Ano pa bang ginawa ko doon? Meron akong mga pamphlet na ginawa. So, may mga points yun. Pag i-accumulate mo yung points, so according to the ladder. Tapos, i-apply mo siya. Lalagay mo siya sa binder. Tapos, magsisend ka ng application. Unfortunately, ngayon sa current hospital ko, I felt discouraged kasi magkaiba din kasi naman ng requirements. I mean, syempre, standard and being on a clinical ladder reflects your proficiency and competitiveness in your career. Girl, kailangan ng reference from other professionals. Like, I need to get reference from, example, respiratory therapist or occupational therapist. Mahirap sa akin, night shift. Wala kaming kakilalang PT, OT. At hindi kasi ako masyadong hindi ako ma-PR. So, wala akong makunan na professional, other professional team. Pero kung may kakilala ka, you can get, reference from them. Na, kesyo ako, magaling ako, mga ganung sulat na reference. So, isa yun sa mga requirements na ngayon sa current hospital ko. That's why, nahihirapan ako. But with the points naman, madali lang. Like, you want to attend like, mga fairs, mga walkathon. Kasama din doon yung mga clean-up drive or mga education. Meron siya nakalista ng mga requirements or mga categories na pwede mong makunan ng points. So ready ka nang mag-certification? Minsan, libre siya kasi kino-cover din siya ng hospital sa education ninyo. So, mare-reimburse yung nagastos mo. At the same time, pag pumasa ka, babayaran ka pa. Tapos, at the same time, advantage pa sa resume mo, di ba? Para sa nagbibiba ng pera. Wow! So, I advise every nurses here in the US na mag-certification talaga. Because, personally myself, I see the benefits. And I get the extra money for 5 years if I continue to keep the license, if I continue to keep the certification. But, take note, usually, kahit dalawa yung certification mo, 1 lang yung kinakount nila. So, once lang sila magbabayad ng pera, no? Okay guys, from night shift pa ako. Bye-bye!